That's what will appear if you color it white. You see?
Hey,
You see? It's working. It's white.
that's color white. Oh no.
It's fine. You're almost done. You see? Because it's white, you won't see anything. I'm coloring it white. You see? See?
No. The black one.
For Mother Goose?
No.
Mother Goose is not black. It's white.
Wait a minute. Not the white one. That's for red. See? No. The black one.
For Mother Goose? No, let's find another color. How about this one?
How about yellow?
How about yellow? Yellow is nice.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll hold your hand. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Daddy's turn now.
No, it's Daddy's turn to hold your hand. Come on. Come on. Elsie, come on. I'll hold your hand. Is that a laugh?
Give her the other yellow crayon.
This one. Here. This is Elsie's crayon.
No.
Come on.
No, Elsie. One for Elsie, one for
One for-
Daddy.
One C for you. Put that down. The white one. Come,
Naracus. Look.
Dati meron kami ditong kinulaan ni Elsie. Ito ba yun? Nakakamiss talaga. Andito yun. Nakalagay. Ay, say, Elsie! Elsie! Come on! Color!
Here, the
What?
blue one.
The blue color? I love blue. Come on, let's try it. How about this next one?
This.
That's the yellow. Wow, great! That's yellow. Come on, let's color Mother Goose yellow. Color Mother Goose. Color Mother Goose. Yellow. See?
Mixing colors.
Yes, mixing colors. Mixing colors. Colors. Come on.
Fixing colors.
Mixing colors.
Fixing colors.
Fixing colors.
Mix, Elsie, mixing.
Mixing.
What's the next page? Dali, tingnan natin.
Let's go to the next page.
Dito na lang. Color the sheep, Elsie, dali. Color her. You want to color?
Let's color Miss Lucy
Lucy.
Lackett. Lucy Lackett. Let's color Lucy Lackett. Come on. Look. This is Lucy Lackett. Lucy Lackett lost her packet. Kitty Fisher found it. Nothing in it. Nothing in it. But the binding round it. Kasi zero.
And round it over.
What can you say about the colors, baby? This is